Let's talk about pricing your handyman jobs. I'm Gabe from House Call Pro, where we work with over 200,000 pros across more than 50 trades, and here's how to price any handyman job in 3 parts. Part 1, find your overhead cost per hour. Part 2, set your base rate off that number plus a real profit margin. And Part 3, adjust that rate up or down based on the actual job in front of you. Instead of just talking through this, I'm going to build it live in a real price book so you can copy the exact same setup when we're done. Part 1, start with your overhead. Take your monthly costs, insurance, tools, vehicle, software, and divide it by your billable hours. If your overhead is $2,400 a month and you can bill 120 hours, that's $20 an hour just to break even. Add your $20 overhead to your desired wage, let's say $55, and you're at $75. Multiply by 1.15 to 1.2 for profit, and you land around $86 an hour. That margin isn't just extra, it's what covers slow weeks, the occasional customer who doesn't pay. Baking this in is the only way your business actually grows instead of just breaking even. Now watch what happens when I plug that in to the price book. The software does the margin math for you the second you enter your cost and your target rate. Now, as of 2026, that formula puts most handymen somewhere between $50 and $125 an hour, depending on the setup. Check the link in the description for the current numbers. That's your base rate, saved and ready to apply to every single job. Your base rate, however, isn't your final rate. Jobs with difficult access, higher safety risks, and unclear scope, or older materials, they typically take longer and carry more risk. So you increase your price by 20 to 30% to cover the extra work. Instead of doing that math on the fly every time you're standing in someone's attic, you build the adjustment into the price book once. Now every future estimate that uses this item has the right buffer built in. Some jobs should be hourly. Troubleshooting older homes, open-ended punch lists. Some should be flat rates, TV mounting, ceiling fan installs, faucet replacement, anything that you've done 100 times, it can be flat. And a minimum service fee of $125 to $200 protects those quick jobs once you factor in travel, setup, and material markups should run 20 to 50%. That covers your time sourcing and picking up the materials, not just the materials themselves. Now here's why that matters. In House Call Pro's own survey, 77% of homeowners said hidden or surprise costs were the biggest frustration with service pros. And once you build these fees into House Call Pro, every estimate you send already has them so customers can see exactly what they're paying for. No more explaining the surprise charge after the fact. Once your price book is built, the last piece is knowing if it's actually working. If you're booked out more than 3 weeks in a row, that is the clear sign you're undercharging. Too many people are saying yes to your price without pushing back. This is where you check which jobs are actually making you money. You can pull up profitability by a job type. Look for the ones where your actual margin has slipped below that 1.15 to 1.2 target that we built in earlier. Those are the jobs that need a $5 to $10 bump. 3 parts. Find your overhead floor. Set your base rate with a real profit built in, and then adjust for the job in front of you. We just built all 3 into a price book that you can reuse on every future estimate. Pricing data in this video is current of 2026. The full guide in the description gets updated regularly. If you want House Call Pro to hold this price book for you, the free trial link is right below. Now listen, if this was at all useful for you or enjoyable, please subscribe. We got more like it coming. And as always, thank you so much for watching and good luck.